Yep, now it's recording.
Ding.
This thing's fancy. We got a new, what the hell is it? A DJI Osmo gimbal thing.
Mobile.
So now it's like super fancy.
Hey, look, it was delivered.
Oh, good, good. It's delivered now. But yeah, I'm just catching up on videos here. I forgot to make an intro. So we're going to unbox the turbo and the manifold. Alright, well, we got it put back or all together. Not bad for an eBay turbo. It's not gonna spin as well because it's a journal bearing turbo, so it's not gonna free spin like a ball bearing would. But it's got anti-surge, whatever the fuck that means. But it's eBay life because they work. Paul was saying that he couldn't get just the oil feed, so we're just gonna end up having to block off the coolant ports. That shouldn't be a big deal. But yeah, that's, what size is this fucker?
3076.
3076.
It's like a Garrett, but it's not.
It's like a knockoff of a Garrett. So, and then the manifold, you'll see more of that in another video where we modify it slightly. Well, it's not like it's a name brand, so no one will really cry about that. But yeah, those are going to be going on 4G63. Should be awesome. Hopefully next video or so, one of the upcoming videos we'll end up modifying the manifold so that way you can see the turbo on Z motor. Man, this thing's so cool to freaking watch it. Getting distracted here.
Look at this freaking turbo. It's gonna make a boost.
Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this one. Pretty much just unboxed the new Turbski. What was it, like $200 eBay turbo?
Yep.
So
$199.
damn. Almost $200 turbo. And the manifold was like 200, wasn't it, or something like that?
It was like $220, I think.
And 220.
It's pretty bad when the manifold's more expensive than the turbo.
No, that's perfectly fine because my turbo is like $108. So that's gonna be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.